a glowing step. Today we are going to tell you a very beautiful story. To listen to such stories, do subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Ilon was a young girl of the Lumari tribe, wandering the glowing plains of Aurelia 7, a planet where the ground itself pulsed with light. Each year, under the watchful gaze of the twin moons, the Nomads migrated across the bioluminescent tundra, guided by the glow of blooming alien flora. This year, for the first time, Elon walked ahead of the caravan. Wrapped in a scarf woven with light threads, a gift from her mother, she whispered to her creature companion, "Kai, let's find a new path." In the shimmering silence, she stumbled upon a boy, alone, injured, from a rival tribe. She hesitated, then helped. She lifted him onto Kai's back and brought him home. At first, the elders were silent. Then, slowly, they nodded. That night, two tribes lit their camps side by side, for the first time in 100 migrations. Sometimes, the smallest step, lit by kindness, becomes the brightest path.